What if I told you that you could build out any tech tutorial that you see on YouTube without having to deal with outdated dependencies or missing files? With the Gemini CLI, you can do just that in a few easy steps. In this example, I'm going to ask it to help me build out the tutorial that this video right here is talking about. So all I did was copy the URL of this video. I head on over to Gemini and I say, can you help me build out the project that is talked about in this YouTube tutorial? Now it asks for a bunch of permissions, which I'm allowing. For example, conducting a web fetch by processing URLs and instructions from the prompt. So I'm going to click allow. And then next up, it's discovering project resources. So it's interesting how it was not able to find a GitHub link in the YouTube description, but it actually did a Google search to find the GitHub link. So that's amazing. That's something that, saves you time if you had to do it yourself. So after that, it comes up with a plan on how it's going to help you build moving forward. And then it asks you for some permissions to help you create a directory. Next, it helps you create a virtual environment. And then on top of that, it also helps you download all the Python libraries which are required for this project. Great. Now it also helps you create the main.py file within the directory that it has created. It also creates a config.py file where you can store your API keys necessary for this project. And all you have to do is click allow. Finally, it has helped you create the entire main.py file from the GitHub repository. And just with a link to a YouTube video, Gemini CLI was able to create all of this for us. The folder, it was able to create the config.py file and include all the API keys that we need for this project. Obviously, we would have to get those API keys ourselves. It also is able to create the entire main.py file, which contains all of the main code logic in order to create this AI voice agent. It also has the requirements.txt file, so all of the Python libraries required for this project, as well as our virtual environment. So this is absolutely amazing and a huge game changer for anyone learning to code or build anything. So let me know what you guys think and if you're going to be trying this out for yourselves.